Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name's Anthony Salazar, everybody calls me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Newmar Bay Star 3811. It has a wheelchair lift on it. It's really an awesome coach, it's really rare. Let's go on inside and we'll take a look at it. Okay, as you walk into the coach, it's beautiful setup with a nice big couch. You've got in your living area, you've got a nice fireplace. You've got a television on a televator. And then as you swing up to the front of the cab, you notice that this is on the new V8 platform from Ford. It's got more horsepower and a little more torque. You've got your side cameras, backup cameras, auto levelers, all the good stuff, all the bells and whistles. Really an awesome, nice coach. Now as we head back towards the dining area, you've got a unique dinette which is handicap accessible. If you notice, this is all flat surface, so when you're in a wheelchair and everything's lower, you can get to everything from your wheelchair, which is really nice. The countertops are a little lower. You got a nice 3-burner cooktop, gorgeous convection microwave, a really nice refrigerator freezer, residential, of course, and then you've got your handicap lift. And then as you head back towards the rear of the coach, you've got your wheelchair accessible shower, your toilet's right there, your sink, everything's very accessible for someone in a wheelchair, which is really nice. And then you've got the nice big queen bed in there, walk around bed, and you can access it from two sides pretty easily, all the sides pretty easily from a chair, which is really important on this coach because for someone who's in a wheelchair, it just really makes things much easier for everybody. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit we have here at Guaranty RV, please feel free to give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.